Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can host your website on GitHub for free. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first you have to come over into your GitHub, and here you can simply click on your top repositories, click on new, and then you just need to create a repository name. So for that I'm going to use my underscore website, and now it's available over here. So from here, I'm going to add a public, I'm going to add a readme file, and then going to create repository. So click on that. After creating repository, we're going to add some files. For that, I'm going to click on add file, click on upload files, and click on choose your files. So into the HTML folder, I have these two files. I'm going to select these two files and click on open. After they will be uploaded, and as you can see, they all are uploaded. And now I'm going to click on commit changes, and as you can see, this is processing your files, and as you can see, after a short time it's completely processed, as you can see. So this is the website that I will going to upload into GitHub. So now I'm going to come over into settings, and from here I'm going to go for pages. Into the pages, I'm going to add the branch, and the branch is a main, and then click on root. After click on save, if I just go for my website over here, as you can see, add files be upload. So as you can see, it's now is pending. Some checks haven't completed yet, so it's not checking. So it will take some minutes or maybe seconds to complete. It depends on your website size. So for that, keep patience. So as you can see, the file has been uploaded, and you can see a success sign over here. So for getting the link of your website, you just need to click on the setting option and then come over into pages. If you just simply click on this link, you can simply visit your website. So this is how we can simply host your website in GitHub. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.